Welcome to Sunshine English at the Pharmacy English Conversation. This place is called a pharmacy or a drugstore where you can get medicines for your health. There are two signs in the pharmacy: drop off and pick up. For example, you are in the queue and you want to buy some medicines. You will give prescription to the pharmacist. Through the pharmacist. This person is a pharmacist who gives you medicines for your health. At the drop-off section, you give prescription to the pharmacist. Now listen this short conversation. Hi, how can I help you today? I have a prescription I would like to fill. Can I see your ID card, please? Sure, here you go. Thanks. Your prescription will be ready in 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, you will get your medicines at the pickup section. There are two kinds of drugs: prescription drugs and over-the-counter drug. Prescription drug, for example, aspirin. If you want to buy this medicine, you will need a prescription from the doctor. Over the counter, you can get so many things. For example, you can get cough syrup or other things you can get. For example, a toothpaste and a shampoo. You can also get different kinds of food supplements and vitamins. Vitamin C, vitamin B12. If you want to buy these vitamins tablets, so you don't need a prescription from the doctor. There are two kinds of medication or pills: capsule and tablet. Now listen this short conversation between the pharmacist and a customer. Listen carefully. Hi, how can I help you? I have a bad headache. I need some painkillers. How long have you had this headache? Since morning. Firstly, it was mild, but later on it was getting worse. Have you taken any medicine? No, I haven't. What did you eat last night? I had a pizza and a bottle of red wine. I see. You have to take these two pills twice a day with food. Are there any side effects of these medicines? You will feel sleepy after having these pills, but after half an hour you will get better. Fine. How much does it cost? That would be $6. Here you go. Thanks. Get well soon. Subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos. Check out other English lessons on my YouTube channel.